aga me läheme edasi, Tähtvere tantsukeskus tuleb teie ette Tartust kohale tulnud siia Võrru. Nemad on viimased noored 2 showtantsu kategoorias. Tantsu nimi on Stage 4. Tantsu autorid ja juhendajad on Dolores Karina Sütt ja Maris Kahre. Tähtvere!
Right now I need you here, I need you to stay strong, to remind me where I came from and where I belong. So wake up and stay with me, 'cause I'm starting to think that I never actually had you. You're not in the dark, but far from the light. I need to know now. Are you in or are you out? Don't give up, not yet. No matter how hard this gets, we come into the world worse for the wear, but the wars of our fathers are not ours to bear. Don't give up, no, not yet. Are you with me? Are you in or are you out? Are you with me? Are you drifting through the Are you with me?
Ja see oli Tähtvere tantsukeskus, aitäh selle energiatooke ja ütleme nii, et sügavamõttelised.